to my channel. It's your girl Josie, and today I have a special guest, Tessa.
I'm Daddy T. Why are you introducing me?
Oh, sorry, her name's actually Daddy T.
Hi, I'm Tess. If I let you call me Tessa, that means like I'm chill with you. My name's spelled like a typo. And like I don't necessarily always vibe with it. I let you call me Tessa, it means I fuck with you. I guess if you're a follower of Josie's, like if you subscribe to Josie, like you can call me Tessa because I love her and I appreciate that you support her.
That was beautiful. So today we're gonna be showing you guys us getting ready to go to Target. So this is how glam we get to go to Target, you know. We gotta look fabulous and fierce everywhere we go. Just wanna see how we got these looks. Keep watching. Mwah. Hey, hey.
Fuck a beat, I was trying to beat a face. Put it in your mouth, how it tastes, little bitch back.
Okay, so start talking.
Okay.
This is your channel, not mine.
So, first, I'm starting with the Cover FX Illuminating Primer.
I'm just gonna let you guys know now. I'm a blind bitch. And I'm not gonna be able to see that well.
This looks like kind of ratchet right now, but I'm just gonna blend it out with my fingers. Oh, this really is
I'm using the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 because like my skin dry as fuck. Am I allowed to swear?
Girl, you do your thing. Don't even stress. I already did my eyebrows, by the way. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. See, I'm gonna take my Infallible L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that. Look at my nose.
That's sexy.
Yeah, I know, right?
So, I'm using Urban Decay's Naked Skin Foundation. They have this one and then they have like the waterproof one. I have both and use like the waterproof one when I go out. That's nice because then I leave the club looking just as good as when I walked in.
Yes, queen. The blender is kind of disgusting, so I apologize.
Yo, mine too. My cat literally bit off the corner. and it's like clawed holes in it. I wash it. Like I take it, wash it like every like 2 days. But it's just never gonna be pretty again. I'm gonna take her Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. Look at how pretty this is, guys. I'm gonna start with this brown color in the crease as like a transition shade. Now I'm going to cream contour with the Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour kit. I would show you what it looks like, but honestly mine is like really gross looking, so no. I'm gonna take the color Rainbow Life and then I'm gonna put that over the brown shade. Girl. So next I'm going to take my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea concealer and I'm actually going to go ahead and make like a cut crease, you know? I do my concealer when I do the cream contour so I can just blend it all in really smoothly. I see. This is such a look, right? I love it. I should just go to the club just like this. Yes. Okay, so next I'm going to take this color. Oh my god, this is my life and my soul. This color right here, Mystic Rain. Who came up with this color? I love you, let's get married. I have a little bit of this color on the inner tear ducts as well. Fantasy, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, oh, actually it's Fun to See. That's what it's called. And it's this like pretty purple shade. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the outer edge. The Jean-Michel Basquiat, like, fuck. Decay's limited edition Jean-Michel Basquiat Tenant palette. And Jean-Michel Basquiat is my favorite artist ever. Like, I'm majoring in art history and I could go on and bore you guys with why, but just like I was excited because he's my favorite artist ever. The colors are great. This super bright, funky like pop of color and it has this like little emblem. So all the blues and greens were great. Some of the other colors like the pink and the purple and the light ones, like they just like depress too hard or something. Yeah, I know what you mean. So you cannot pick that up on a brush. You cannot blend that out and it's just so frustrating. But like I also got it for like half off, so like I'm not that mad. What? What happened? I just like dropped it on camera. Contour kit. It smells like, smell it, it smells like chocolate. Oh my god, it really does. I want to eat it. Okay, the Sweet Peach palette. And like it's also by Too Faced, and like that's by Too Faced, and like it smells like peaches. Let me smell. But I discovered that it like low-key also like tastes like peaches. It kind of, oh, you tasted it? Like not intentionally. It's just like you tasted your eyeshadow palette, just girly thing. I like to sample all the flavors. I'm uncomfortable. I don't remember how this happened. Oh yeah, like I had gotten it like on a Q-tip when I was cleaning it up, just like whatever my look was a little bit, and then like it was like super dry, and I like just like need to fix it, so I like put it in my mouth for a second just to like touch it up, you know? And I was like, holy shit, it tastes like peach.
Really?
And so it did, and I really want to know if the chocolate one tastes like chocolate, but at the same time, like I also don't want to put that in my mouth.
I feel. So now I'm just gonna go in with this color Beam In, and I'm just gonna put a little bit right over the pink Mystic Rain to just kind of add a little bit more highlight.
Oh yeah, I'm like setting my shit. Ow, I just went in my eye. Should've closed my eye. How did you get into makeup?
It's really funny. I've been doing like makeup videos since I was like little. Like there's these really funny videos you can find on my dad's like Mac computer that I used to film on like photo booth. And it would be like me, and I remember literally being like 12 years old, super like incredibly overweight and chubby. And I was in the video and I remember being like, okay, now we're moving on to our next procedure. Like girl, I said procedure. Like, is this a hospital? Like,
you tried.
My hospital makeup tutorial. Those were good times, the good old days when life was a lot more simple.
True. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette. I showed you guys earlier, but I figured you might be like, what's this bitch doing? So that's what this bitch is doing.
So I'm gonna take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. This is in the shade Milk. This is really funny. I was actually there and I was looking for like a white eyeliner pencil to like do like, oh my god, I forgot the name of it. Oh, Waterline. But like the name of the other white Jumbo eye pencil they had was Cottage Cheese. And that's so funny. When have you ever heard like a makeup item titled Cottage Cheese? Alright, so I'm going in, lining my waterline, hoping I don't stab my eye out.
When did you start your YouTube channel?
I started my YouTube channel, well actually I had videos in high school of me doing it, but I kind of deleted those just because I wasn't feeling them. All my friends get mad at me for it because they're like, why didn't you keep your original videos? And I'm like, I'm sorry, like, I don't know. So what happens is like, I'll start making more videos and then I look back at my original ones, I'm like, oh, those are so crappy, and then I delete them. But then I like told myself I'm not doing that anymore because I think it's good to have like those original videos so you can like go back and see how far you came. You know what I mean?
Yeah. That's smart.
I started my senior year of high school, so I was like 17 when I started posting them, and now I'm 20. I'm gonna apply my false lashes and do mascara. Today I'm applying my Ardell Glamour Lashes. It says 141 on it, so I guess that's like the style. I am living for this look. Okay. First lash complete,
I'm so
bitch.
sorry, Mom.
Is she gonna see this? Shout out.
Oh yeah. Hey Tracy, what's good?
Hey Miss Tracy.
I love you.
You're a queen.
This is the moment where I apologize for everything I've ever done in my life. But tell you, I also really love you. Wait, I want to see the Smarty palette. Friends. My pants.
Yes, her cargo
pants. Target is the GOAT. I think I'm gonna like play with this.
Yes.
And the Subculture palette.
Yep, L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This is my go-to. Honestly, in most of my videos, you won't see me applying any other mascara but this. I'm sorry, I'm loyal to this mascara. Every girl's worst makeup nightmare is when the mascara smears on your face.
Oh my god, did it?
Yes.
Oh girl. Starting off with blending the shade Dawn from the Subculture, I almost called it Sublime, Subculture palette into my crease with this lovely brush.
Focus. Oh yes, Daddy T.
Josephine.
Daddy T.
Josephine.
Daddy T.
Josephine.
Really feeling this. So going back with my Rainforest of the Sea concealer, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that right below my eyes and in any problem areas. Usually all my problem areas are on my chin. For some reason that's where I break out the most. I also put a little bit around my nose because there's like a lot of redness in that area that I like to cover up. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm well. I'm just like watching. I'm gonna like show these people. I took a purpley color and blended it in to my crease. And you know, like she needs to be cleaned up, but that's okay because I do like big ass winged eyeliner.
But now I'm just blending this in. Oh. Next, I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Toast, and I'm just gonna contour with this. I use a very light amount, and sometimes I put on too much, and then it's like a lot harder to blend in, so I try to go like very light with it. I squeeze down and I'm taking my finger and applying it, just because like when I use the full brush, it just usually comes on like way too much.
I'm taking another color from the Morphe palette, and it's this one. And this is one that I used to blend into my crease. And then now I'm taking this one and putting it all over my lid because I'm going to do a halo eye with the gold from the Subculture palette.
Ooh, I love it. Ooh. So now I'm just blending this all in. See, this comes on very heavy. Like, I love this product, but like it does come on very strong. So even just like a little really does go a long way. I'm gonna bake my face with the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Plus Perfecting Loose Powder. Don't care what the haters say. I say olay.
Olay.
Olay, olay, olay.
So I'm going in with the shade Adorn to like straighten the middle of my lid. I remember in high school, my friend Leela and I would literally just go to Target all the time just for like the sake to go to Target because we just loved being at Target. It's like we'd go and just get like random shit.
That's fun. So I just went in while my face was baking and I lined my lips with the Essence lip liner in the shade Cosnova.
Did you learn makeup mostly from like watching people like online or like?
I haven't gone to cosmetology school yet, but I'm planning to go. So next I'm taking my NYX Lingerie. This is in the shade Beauty Mark. Ooh, I like that name. It's kind of like a brownish color. And I love brown lip colors.
I love brown lip colors on other people, but on me they just make me look like a zombie.
Really?
But like I love them on other people.
Girl. This is really brown and delicious. So next I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out this baking powder. Oh girl. And I'm gonna take Unicorn Tears, the highlighter in this eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just going to highlight. So add some on my nose. I'm gonna be taking my Stila lip glaze in the shade Chocolate, and I thought that would be like the good lip gloss to put over this because it's kind of brown looking as well. I'm gonna take my Master Fix Wear Boosting Setting Spray. Oh shit, that kind of squirted out weird. It smells weird. This is my finished look.
Sister work. I'm just like looking at you in the viewfinder like uncomfortably close to the camera.
Hi.
And I just can't. Wow. And otherwise I couldn't see.
This is Tessa finishing up her look.
So I stepped off camera to do my eyeliner and my mascara because like I'm just blind and that was not going to go well.
So while she's finishing up her look, I'm going to be selfieing.
So I also do my blush. I usually mix these two. Yeah, cool. And then I'm just going to highlight and then I'm done. This is the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated Highlighter. My voice is so monotone, it's just because I'm losing my voice. It's like a tiny brush to like highlight my nose because like if you want your nose to look snatched, like you don't want like a fat ass brush, like it just won't work. I'm just gonna do a hand motion. You know what I'm talking about?
Wait. What's the name? Oh
Innocent Pure.
Innocent Pure.
So we are at finished look. Wait, hold on, I gotta like setting spray that shit.
Yes, honey.
God, I opened my eyes. Why did I
Show
do
them
that?
the look. Okay. Yes.
Toodle-doo.